Hello and welcome to the I'm Born podcast, where we share tips, tricks and insights about all things hair and grooming. In this episode, we're going to talk about an issue that many of us face, dandruff. If you're tired of dealing with a flaky scalp and want expert recommended tips to achieve a flake-free scalp, then this is the episode for you. So sit back, grab a drink and let's dive in. The first tip that we recommend is to wash your hair regularly. This is essential in keeping dandruff at bay. Use a gentle shampoo that's free from harsh chemicals. If you're not sure which shampoo to use, our expert barbers can help you choose the right one. The second tip is to use a dandruff-specific shampoo. These shampoos are designed to treat dandruff and contain active ingredients to treat the cause of the problem. If regular shampooing doesn't work, consider using a dandruff shampoo. Our third tip is to keep your scalp clean and dry. A dirty scalp is a breeding ground for dandruff. Make sure you keep your scalp clean and dry by washing your hair regularly and avoiding the use of heavy hair products that can clog your scalp. The fourth tip is to avoid using harsh hair styling products like hairsprays, gels and mousses. These products can contribute to dandruff by clogging your scalp and leading to an overproduction of oil. Switch to gentler alternatives or avoid using them altogether. Our final tip is to visit your barber regularly. Regular haircuts are important for maintaining your hair's health and can also help prevent dandruff. Our expert barbers at I'm Born Barbershop will give you a thorough scalp massage during your haircut, which will help stimulate blood flow and keep your scalp healthy. That's all for today's episode of the I'm Born podcast. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more expert advice and insights on all things grooming. Until next time, take care of yourself and your hair.